week we danced in a parking lot crowd.
Take time, do what you're gonna do and just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. Oh no, take time, do what you're gonna do, just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and you will learn to fly.
Dun 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 dun. Gaze on. The bird-a-nado, Daddy, it's happening! It's what we call a bird-a-nado. Two bird-a-nados combined, it makes a humongo funnel bird-a-nado. It's like a tornado made of birds. So many birds, and you could barely see the sky.
Keep a look at Eddie.
I like Tom. This week we ate at Panda Express. We love Panda Express. I always order the orange chicken with rice. I ordered rice with orange chicken. I ordered string bean chicken and noodles. This is how to make a fortune cookie. Buy a fortune cookie, take out the fortune, look, read it, like mine. The sun will shine through your heart and warm your soul. Put it in your pocket, and then run it over here. Go home, get a little piece of paper, cut something about this size, and then write a fortune on it, and then stick it in there like you'll eat pizza tomorrow. And then you tape back together the fortune cookie, and then someone will open it, and then they'll see the fortune.
Okay. Jonah, read your fortune. What does your fortune say?
You will soon inhabit a bunch of money.
You will soon inherit a bunch of money. Let's look at.
I wanna go.
Yours say?
I made a brilliant choice.
You made a brilliant choice. It's getting noisy in here.
This week we went to Menards to check out what stuff they had.
Guys, serious.
I was acting like a goat because the carpet was all green, and I said, I'm a goat, and started acting like I was eating the grass, going.
Emma, get up.
But I like doing that. Did you film me?
Yes, I filmed you.
Here we are trying out the doors and windows. I'm gonna need ice. Cause it's cold in here. We bought a really cute penguin mat. It's for whenever we go camping. That is my girl. Talking about girl.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is like grass and leaves. Oh man, maybe that's why it's called Love, Peace, and the Planet. And that's my feet.
Well, maybe they don't all smell bad.
Cherry almonds. Okay, I'll smell this.
Okay, guys.
Oh, this one smells nice. Let me smell it. Smell this, Mommy.
It smells nice.
With that $100 fan,
Let me
You gotta
smell
squeeze it just a little bit.
pretty cool.
That one does
Let me
smell
smell
nice.
it. It smells like
Get it if you want it.
Ooh, I like that.
Get it, Mommy?
Cherry almond.
Mommy said
like
we could get
that.
it. Daddy said we could get it. Then we went to PetSmart to get some fish supplies. But Mommy and I, we went to go play with the kitties. Watch this. Fart and giraffe. Here's Kitty. I'm gonna sit. Kitty, let's see what I got.
Liv, you're doing CPR on him?
Standing on. I saw some cute ferrets. Do it. This week we played the charades game that I got for Christmas as a family.
Kicking the wall, stubbing your toe,
Yes.
hurting your foot. What was it?
I heard stubbing your toe.
Running around like a chicken with its head cut off. Okay, what is it? What is that?
There's a mouse in the house.
What?
Mine.
Hammering.
Hammer.
Break.
Mining.
Bang your hand.
Quit. Banging your finger.
Hit
Here,
it.
you have a hammer. Shut up. Banging your finger with a hammer. John's mine. John's the trick. Fishing. I cannot. Ew. You're skipping and you trip over a giant rabbit. Sleeping. You're gonna stress. That's a regular never again. Sleeping. Faint. No. Knock out. No. Wrestling. No. Upset and throwing on the ground. No. Big body pain. No. How did you look good to this?
All it does is lay there.
Shit. Oh.
Dead fish.
Sponge. A seal. No.
Dead fish.
No! You guys gave up. Fine. Jonah! What towel?
Wet towel.
I just was waiting there. Eating.
Blowing
Eating
bubbles.
some soup. Eating.
Ice cream.
Scooping. Oh, it's noodles.
Spaghetti. Spaghetti.
Spaghetti and meatballs. You got it. Oh, the sun. The sunrise and sunset. Eating pizza.
Cupcakes.
Smiley face cookie.
Baking cupcakes.
Baking a cookie. Cookie.
Decorating.
Eating.
Cookie jar. Something cookie jar. Bear cookie jar. Dumping out the cookie jar.
Dumping cookie jar. Dumping cookie jar.
Emptying
Eating cookie jar.
emptying the cookie jar.
Yes, do it.
Woohoo!
Digging with a shovel.
Digging.
Dig.
Hiding.
Roots.
Weeds.
You got it.
Woohoo!
Mommy is the best at charades. Wallet. Dollars. $1.
$1 something dollars.
Jonah got dollars. $100. $1 million. Jonah got $1,000,000. I love playing charades. It was fun. This is what I was like with Maggie. If you missed our bulletin and our tweeter about it, All4tubekids uploaded mini celebrities 3 this week. Here's the link to the video right here on my face. Go check it out. It's real funny. Just come on, click on my face. Click on it. Click on it. If you're not gonna click on my face, click on my foot. Thank you for watching this week's vlog. Subscribe, rate, comment, thumbs up, and follow us on Twitter. Oh, and don't forget to check out our new website, KittiesMama.com. KittiesMama.com. Bye, YouTube. Peace out, YouTube. This channel is brought to you by www.KittiesMama.com.